Oh yeah, here we go. Matchbox Moving Parts has just arrived to the warehouse. This is D case, and I can't remember when C case came out. It was a while back, but we've definitely been anticipating D case coming in for a while now, and it's 8 cars in this particular case. Check this case out. I'm really liking what they've been doing with this moving parts. Don't know if you guys have seen them in the stores yet, but they've been putting pretty good models in here and pretty good moving parts on them. Here's the top-down view of the case. Now, typically, from what we've been seeing, it's definitely not going to be evenly packed. So we'll go 2 by 2 and see what happens here. Okay, the first 2. Oh yeah. This one's going to be a hot one, guys. I can just tell by looking at it. You guys are going to like this. So the first 2, there's 2 of them. It's the 83 Buick Riviera Convertible. It's got opening doors. It's got like a, sorry for the glare there. It's got like a metallic-y maroon paint, old school. I didn't really see too many of these convertibles back in the day. There's that car. The next 2 cars, oh wow, okay, so these 2 cars right here, the 2000 Nissan Xterra and the Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback, are both recolors from A case, I believe. The Xterra has the back opening trunk, and what color was that before? Red, maybe? It's now in bright yellow. And then the Fastback is a really cool blue. This is the 65 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback. The Fastback has the opening doors to it. Super cool. Let's check out the next 2. Okay, this one right here is the Renault Trezor Concept. You know what, guys? I've never seen this before. I got a 2 per case. I'm going to pop one of these open real quick. I want to see this. I'm not sure how it moves. Oh, dang. Okay, so there it is closed. I don't know that I'd ever be able to fit in that, but that's how it opens. The top pops open, and I guess you slide in and out of the car. It's pretty cool, huh, guys? Okay, then the last 2 cars of the case. That's all of them right there. Let's see here. Looks like we got another recolor. This is one of my favorite ones that they've done right here. The 64 Pontiac Grand Prix. Now it comes in a metallic blue with kind of blue tinted windows. That's sweet. I like that car a lot. And then this one's brand new right here. The 36 Ford Sedan Custom. Look at that grill on that bad boy. The Ford Sedan Custom has the doors opening. Get a good look at that thing. Looks like a 1930s gangster car to me. Very cool. Well, there you have it, folks. There's moving parts D case, which we've been anticipating for a little bit. Let's get a top-down view of this thing. I did open one of the Trezor Concept from the Renault company. So there's one loose, and then there's one in the package. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining us. We're going to keep doing it.